is it going off? Let's try to turn it off. 4. Enter the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. What? Whoops. Whoa, knock it down a little bit. What? Whoa. What? Why is it not turn off? That is weird. Okay. Oh god, I have to oh yeah, because you can see the power light is disconnected, and the buzzer on it is going off. The other one over there is also going off. Or over there. Oh my god, my ears. Oh, whoa, see, speaker, very loud. Oh my god, that one is also going off up there. Oh my goodness me. Hope I get these fixed soon.